Alright everyone, so kind of hard here in the truck as I'm driving, so we got a special guest with us today. Jeremy's first day of summer, where he is going to work an entire day. Jeremy doesn't really know what I have planned, so I would say the whole 15-20 lawn thing today would be the goal, but you'll see in this video I got a little surprise for him because he's been bugging me for, I don't know, about 20 different things to do with the business. So I'm planning to knock a few of those things out today because Jeremy has been doing a marvelous job at cleaning the mowers. If you've been on the Instagram, you'll see the mowers. He's really stepped up this year. He's done some push mow jobs, and I want to make sure that our kids are important to me, and I hope they're important to you. And if he wants to do something, I want to do in my power to let him do those things, and let him know that he is important, and that even though it's work and he wants to do it, that it's just important as letting him ride his bike to his friend's house because he wants to. If he wants to ride on the mower or push the mower, weed whack or whatever, that's his goal this year, is to be on a customer's and weed whack. So my goal is to teach him without hurting himself, and a few other things, but I won't ramble on about that. We got our ISO tunes, ear protection, some eye protection we got for him. Where's that eye protection? He's got his shirt. Our new shirts have not come in yet, so he's still got his old shirt just as well as I do. But we got plenty of beverage. It's going to be a hot day. Powerade, water, and we got some meal bars, and that's going to be the start of our video, guys. Stay tuned and watch me work through my day and Jeremy work through his day in this video. Thanks for all of your support, likes, comments, and the people that continue to watch my YouTube with me and the kids. Thank you.